Hi, it's Megan here at Prairie Loft, and I was sitting at my desk. Welcome to my desk. I decided that I want to share with you, those curious, just what a gift means when you make a charitable contribution to Prairie Loft. We are a nonprofit organization, which means that your support helps us carry out our mission to help deliver outdoor education, agricultural appreciation, cultural connections, and the wise use of natural resources to thousands of people every year. So I thought I'd give you a rundown on what a gift might do out here at Prairie Loft. Say a $25 gift. That would help us deliver our free community events like Spring Fest and Harvest Fest each year to thousands of guests. They are often the first time somebody is able to climb up on a combine or hold an animal that isn't a cat or a dog, but is livestock. And so those experiences spark an interest and spark intrigue in that connection and important role that agriculture plays, not just in Nebraska, but also to our lives. A $50 gift helps us mow our lawn. It does a lot more than that, but that's just one example. We oversee 8.3 acres that we own, and then we are responsible for managing an additional 65 acres. With that, that land needs to be suitable for all of our guests. So this year, I had the great responsibility of hopping on the riding mower, learning how to ride a riding mower, and then hopping on that riding mower and ensuring that our space was safe, was accessible, and was explorable for folks across our 8.3 acres and then down our walking paths. $100 ensures that our summer camp attendees are able to have the best experience possible on the most beautiful site possible. Your support there helps us welcome kids from 3 years old to 13 years old all summer long in a variety of camps where they're digging in the mud, hiking along our trails, going down creek beds, exploring Woodland Trail, and really having those outdoor education experiences that are right in their own backyard. $250 helps ensure that our field trips are as affordable as possible to remove any barriers to participation. So your support helps ensure that schools are able to attend and students are able to attend our field trips. This year alone, we saw 918 students come to our site over 42 days. That's fantastic. And that's just on site. That doesn't include what we go and do off site. Your generosity helps ensure that we are able to offer the programs that not only get people outside, but programs that can lead to the enhancement of one's wellness. Getting outside into the sunlight, out and away from the screens, away from the blue light is so very important to our well-being. And we are honored to be able to provide that service to so many, be it through Flatwater Music Festival or our camps, our field trips. Being a site for weddings together or being a site for a baby shower, folks are able to get outside, enjoy the great outdoors, and do it in a beautiful setting. To make a difference today, give a gift online at www.prairieloft.org/support. Thank you.